Welcome to the Secret Life of Plants. Hello, my name is Zach Chase, and today we are going to embark on a very special journey to learn more about the evolution of one of God's greatest creations, and personally my best friends, plants. Oh, let me just refer to my pocket guide right here. You may ask, what is really a plant, and from what did modern plants evolve from? Well, as you can see here, a plant is a multicellular, autotrophic, photosynthetic eukaryote. Simple as that. However, the eukaryotic cells within a plant vastly differ from those in animals and humans. Plant cells have a cell wall made of cellulose. This rigid cell wall allows the plants to maintain its own rigid structure. Plant cells also contain chloroplasts, organelles that are crucial for the plant to be able to conduct photosynthesis and make its own food for water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide. Today's plants evolved from their algal ancestors called charophytes. These closing living relatives to Whoa, moss! Look at what I found! My assistant's Alex Tom.
Moss is proof of one of the oldest plant lineage to exist. A member of the bryophyte family that includes liverworts and hornworts, mosses are non-vascular plants, meaning they have no vein system that runs throughout the plants, and no true roots. Bryophytes tend to be found in moist environments and typically grow fairly low to the ground. Without a vascular system, they can successfully transport water and nutrients throughout the entire plant. Bryophytes are unable to achieve a maximum potential height.
That's true! Something else to note, this plant lineage is important because they were naturally selected for two crucial plant traits.
Like what?
Bryophytes developed a waxy cuticle, covering that protects the leaves and stems from drying out by trapping water in it. Leaves also developed a stomata, a structure in the leaf anatomy that allows for proper gas exchange. No way!
Fascinating, truly fascinating, Zach. Now, to our special friends who are scavenging the outbacks of Menlo wildlife in search of seedless vascular plants. Take it away, Megan and James.
God. Hello. The next line of plants are seedless vascular plants, which developed a vascular system. This vein-like system helped plants distribute water, minerals, and sugars throughout the entire plant, which helped plants to grow taller. This fern here is an example of a seedless vascular plant. Let my esteemed partner, Megan Yang, tell you more about seedless vascular plants.
Xylem are dead cells that transport water and minerals up into the plant, while phloem are living cells that transport sugar down to its roots. Lignum thickens and reinforces the cell wall, allowing the plant to grow taller. Seedless vascular plants still have spores, though, and require water for fertilization.
And now, back to Alex, because for some reason we care about our allergies.
Zach, I've been meaning to ask you about my crazy allergies. Can you explain where all the pollen comes from?
I'm glad you asked, Alex. This is the next plant lineage we have come upon. Gymnosperms. Let me first explain how seeds came to evolve. Seeds are plant embryos that are often protected by a hard shell. I call it the embryo in a lunchbox. The lunchbox protects the embryo from being damaged. You wouldn't want your PB&J to get all smashed up now, would you?
For heaven's sake, no.
Additionally, seeds increase the overland dispersal and do not require water for fertilization. As for your original question, gymnosperms are naked seeds that do not have a fruit surrounding it. You can find these seeds in pine cones from pine trees, like this one.
So my allergy comes from pollination that mainly occurs through wind?
Exactly!
Flowers are so great.
You gotta love this angiosperm
Oh!
here.
Well, hello!
Hello there, Rich.
Well, these are angiosperms, my personal favorite.
And why is this angiosperm your personal favorite, Megan?
Well, angiosperms have flowers. pretty flowers like this that attract pollinators like bees. Pollinators allow for cross-pollination because they take pollen from one flower and transport it to the others.
Although you like flowers a lot, fruits are actually my favorite part of the angiosperms. Fruits attract organisms and animals that eat their seeds and then are dispersed through their feces. And how creepy is it to think that when you eat fruits, you're actually eating flower ovaries?
Really creepy.
Sweet.